Welcome to another brand new video. In this video, we are going to unbox and see Darry rocking Bassinet. To your knowledge, this video is an unboxing video only, as I am a new user, we don't have any recommendations. Before get started, let's unbox the packaging and see what they included in the box. As a request, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, please help us by subscribing. We post product related videos on this channel. Thank you for your help. This is an automatic soft swing bassinet. It has 5 swing speeds, and a built-in 15, 30, 45 minutes auto-off timer, and also they included built-in songs for children. They included safety strap, canopy, mattress pad, and stand in the package. It has metal frames and weight capacity is 33 pounds. It's a great alternative to the Graco Dream Glider, but they need to improve something to make great products. We will discuss this later. This product is easy to assemble and the rocking motion is great. As you saw, my son is only 18 months old and this looks small for him. I can say this product is only good for non-movers baby, like somewhere 12 months or less. Also, there is not a safety belt included for moving babies. If your babies are 12 months or less, this product will be good for you. Overall, it is an okay product according to the price. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Stay healthy, stay safe.